Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to add text in Movavi. Click the titles button. Select simple text. Drag the text clip under the track above your video on the timeline. Move the text clip on the timeline to change when in playback. Adjust duration by dragging the clip's end. Double-click text clip on the timeline. In the video preview, delete placeholder text and type your desired text. Resize the text by dragging its corner handles. Rotate the text by dragging the handle on the top. Move the text around in the frame by dragging it. You can customize text color, font, size, and add an outline if desired. And that will be it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.